How do you know that your baby is growing well in your womb? Baby has to grow incrementally inside the uterus throughout the pregnancy. But sometimes the baby doesn't grow as expected. This condition is called fetus growth restriction. Three main factors that cause baby's growth restriction are: number one, issues with the placenta, which leads to poor blood supply to the baby. Number two, inadequate nutrition intake by the mother. Number three, genetic abnormalities in the baby. But worry not. Here are 5 tips to improve your baby's weight. Number one, do not miss your first trimester scan. Your first trimester scans predict if there are any placental abnormalities by using Doppler study. In such cases, your doctor will advise blood thinner medicines to improve blood circulation to the baby. Number two, consume a well-balanced diet with essential nutrients like protein, iron, calcium, and folate. You may consult a nutritionist for better results. Number three, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids to ensure your body functions properly and helps in nutrient absorption. Number four, get regular prenatal checkups, which help to detect issues early and provide necessary guidance. Number five, stress management. Mothers should take adequate rest with good sleep for baby's growth. You can post your questions in the comment section and follow me for more informative videos.